Pre-K. Today I'm going to read you a book called Splash, a penguin counting book. Penguins are these black and white creatures that live in the Arctic. They live in the cold weather, and I love penguins. Penguins are one of my favorite animals. So I want everyone to help count. We're going to do some counting. Look at all those penguins. My goodness gracious, that's a lot. And see, they live where it's very cold. Look at all that snow. One. There's the number one. Wake up, one baby penguin. Aw, look at the little baby penguin. He must have just hatched out of his egg. Number two, it's time to eat. There's the mom and the baby. Two penguins. Number two. Three. Now the baby chicks are all alone. Count them. 1, 2, 3 baby chicks. They call baby penguins chicks. There's the number 3. Around the tree, around the tree. That's the way we make a 3. Number 4. Where did they go? Look, there's 4 footprints. That's their footprint that they make from their feet. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 prints. There's number 5. They waddled down to, look, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they're waddling. That's how penguins walk. They're waddling down to the sea. They are going swimming and to look for food. Look at that. There's 6 penguins in this picture. Let's see if you can count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what did she say they're looking for? They're looking for food. I wonder what they eat. Splash! Oh, look, they're all jumping in the water. And there's the number 7. Across the sky and down from heaven, that's the way we make a 7. 1, there's the 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 penguins in this picture. They're jumping in the water. Oh, they went in the water, and now they are full, and it's time to go because their baby chicks are waiting at home for them. What do you think they found in that water to eat? If you said fish, I think you're right. I think they found some fish to eat. Let's count and see if there are 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, there's 8. Hurry, penguins, a storm is coming. Look at this picture. It looks like it's getting darker, and they're going to have to waddle home very quickly because the storm is coming and they need to get back to their baby chicks. Let's see. It says there's the number 9. Let's see if there's 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Did you count with me? There are 9. 9 penguins. Home again, safe at last. Good night, penguins. So they got some food. They're hurried home to their baby chicks. And there is the number. Does anybody know that number? It's a 1 and a 0. If you said 10, you're right. Let's look here. It says there's 10 penguins in this picture. So we're going to count the babies and the mamas. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 penguins. The end. Look at all those penguins. That would be a lot to count. And I think there's one more page that has even more. Look at all those penguins. They live in the snow and they dive in the water and they eat fish. The end. Have a good day, Pre-K.